When you receive your vacuum pump, you take your pump out from the case. Then you install the tube at the back of the water tank. This tube, the big tube. This tube have two functions. One is to connect the water outlet with the water level. Second, it can use to remove the water during change water. So when you receive the pump, you connect this tube first. These two tubes at the back of the pump hand is no need to install. This tube is used when cycling water was used. If your cycling water function was not used, you just close the valve and let it indicate to off. If you need the cycling water to be work, you can turn on. At that moment, you need to install this tube, connect with the water resource that you are going to apply. After I finish the install of the tube, you can check to fill in the water. The water filling until the top of the water level reaches to the output of the water outlet tube. After that, you can put the cover on the tank to forbid the dust enter into the pump. After everything is ready, you turn on the power supply. Turn on the power supply and on the pump. There's two hands that can be used. So you connect your vacuum tube with either of them, and that tube you connect with your applicant. The vacuum can be reached to the maximum value of the vacuum meter. If your water is too dirty or after a long time the temperature rise, the vacuum will decrease. So at that moment you need to replace your water. We are recommended you will replace your water frequently. After you finish use, you just turn off the pump. That's all. To replace the water, just pull out the top of the tube and release the water. After that, reinstall the tube and fill in the water.